Yes. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss a story. The name of the story is The Riddle Master from 8th class English. Could you understand? And the story is like this. Yes, this is The Riddle Master. Riddle means Golok Dhanda or puzzle. We can say puzzle a question that is usually very confused. Dhanda, Jatila Prashna or Prahari. So, Dhanda. The name of the story is The Riddle Master. Which class? 8th class. Socialization. Your teacher introduced the lesson in the following way. ତମକୁ ସୁପରିଚିତ କରିବେ ଏଇ ନିମ୍ନଲିଖିତ ରୀତିରେ. Do you know what a riddle is? Here are some riddles. Try to solve them. Yes, one. Who has eyes but can't see? Right? Who has eyes? ଜଣଙ୍କର ଆଖି ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖିପାରୁନି. ଛୁଞ୍ଚି. ଛୁଞ୍ଚିର ଆଖି ଅଛି but can't see. Fire up, fire down. Inside sleeps a man whose face is black and brown. Okay. Next one is that is I am kicked right and left. Here is my only food. Tell who I am if you are good. ଭଲ ଯଦି ପିଲା କୁହ କ'ଣ who am I? To know more riddles, let's read the lesson The Riddle Master. ଆଉ ଅଧିକ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ let's read the story. The Santals are very good at riddles. ସାନ୍ତାଲ ସମ୍ପ୍ରଦାୟ ଲୋକମାନେ ସାନ୍ତାଲ is forest people are very good at it. ସେମାନେ ଏଇ ଗୋଲକ ଧନ୍ଦାରେ ଭାରି ଭଲ. Some of them are very good at making riddles. Here you will read about one Santal riddle master and his riddles. While reading text, read paragraphs 1 and 2 silently and answer the questions that follow. Here the text begins. Every evening. What did I say? Every evening. ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ children sit round ବୁଦ୍ଧୁ ହାଡ଼ାମ. ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ପିଲାମାନେ ବୁଦ୍ଧୁ ହାରାମର ଚତୁଃପାର୍ଶ୍ୱରେ ବସନ୍ତି. Who sit around ବୁଦ୍ଧୁ ହାଡ଼ାମ? Children.
Yes.
Children sit around ବୁଦ୍ଧୁ ହାରାମ. When? Every evening. So around whom? Sit around whom? Sit around ବୁଦ୍ଧୁ ହାରାମ. Why? To do what? To listen to his stories. To whose stories? Buddha Hadam's stories. Every evening, children sit round Buddha Hadam to listen to his stories. There is no one in the village who can tell stories like Buddha Haram. Could you understand? Buddha Haram is only one in the village who can tell stories. He is matchless. Could you understand? There was no other man in the village who can tell stories like Buddha Haram. What did I say? Buddha Haram. Okay. Next. Here we shall read. Yes, it is. So he can tell you about the thieves and the widow's son. Thieves means choro, widow means vidhava. So who can speak? Buddhu Hadam. 7 brothers and 1 sister. He can also tell you the story of the wicked jackal. There is no end to his story. Could understand? There is no end. ତାର ଅନ୍ତ ନାହିଁ to his story. ଅନ୍ତହୀନ. ତା ଗପ ଅନ୍ତହୀନ. Could understand? He is whose story has no end? Tell me. Buddhu Haram's story has no end.
And
Buddhu Haram's stories have no end. Right? He is also very good at riddles, and his stories are also full of riddles. Could you understand? Buddhu Haram was very good at riddles. There is no riddle which he can't solve. He solves every riddles. And there is no riddle which cannot be solved by Buddhu Haram. So everyone calls him the riddle master. Could you understand? Who is called riddle master? Buddhu Haram is called riddle master because he can solve any riddle he is asked. जोड़ा पचारे भी से कहीदार जो धंदाटी पचारे से कहीपर he is a master, riddle master. People need him more during marriage. बाहागर समय people need him more. ताको बहुत चाहूले. The bridegroom's party has to pay a goat or a pig. बरपजात्री दल has to pay देवा पड़ूला goat or a pig गोटे घुषुरी किंबा छेली देवा पड़ूला. What to pay? A goat or a pig. Who need to pay? The bridegroom's party needs to pay. Who needs to pay? The bridegroom's party. Barodat. If they fail to answer the riddle of a bride's party. So bride's party is Kanya Jatri, bridegroom's party means Baro Jatri. Could you understand or not? The bridegroom's party has to pay a goat or a pig. Who has to pay a goat or a pig? Bridegroom's party. Bridegroom's party means Baro Jatri. If they fail, ସେମାନେ ଯଦି ବିଫଳ ହୁଅନ୍ତି to answer the riddle of the bride's party. କନ୍ୟା ଯାତ୍ରୀର riddleର ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଇ ନ ପାରିଲେ ଦେବାରେ ଯଦି ବିଫଳ ହେଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଦଣ୍ଡ ସ୍ୱରୂପ ଫାଇନ୍ as a fine they has to pay a goat or a pig. ଗୋଟେ ଛେଳି କିମ୍ବା ଘୁଷୁରୀ ଗୋଟେ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ୁଥିଲା. If Buddhu Haram is with them, जदि Buddhu Haram with तांकर सहित अछुं, if Buddhu Haram is with them, who is with them? Buddhu Haram is with them. The bridegroom's people are safe. जदि बर जाति संगे Buddhu Haram अछि, they are safe because Buddhu Haram can answer any riddle. They need not pay the fine. If Buddha Haram is with the bridegroom's party, the bridegroom will not or will never fail to answer the riddle. They need not pay the fine. Buddha Haram's talk is also full of riddles. Whose talk is full of riddles? Buddhu Haram's. Right? Who is Buddhu Haram? Buddhu Haram is a riddle master. Could you understand? During hunting, he will never call a leopard a leopard. Then if not, what does he call? If you call a leopard by name, he says he will know and kill you. This is their belief. So he calls it a wild cat or a hornless bullock, singohina balada. Similarly, the calls a bear a hairy caterpillar. He calls a bear Bear means भालू को caterpillar, sombalua. Caterpillar means sombalua. Could understand? He does not want to hurt anyone. काको क्षति पहुंचाको काको आघात देवाको से केवेले पसंद करेनी. Who? Buddhu Hadam does not want to hurt anyone. When he finds someone losing his teeth, किए जदि काज दांत हरे बसुची, he will say, your white stone are falling. दांत झड़ुची कहनी. He will say, your white stone is falling. तोर धड़ा पत्थर जाको खसी पड़ुची from the mouth. Could understand? Who are we talking about? We are talking about Buddhu Hadam. Right? Who is Buddhu Hadam? Buddhu Hadam is the riddle master. When someone is dead, कि जदि मरीगला, he says he has gone to head the alligator. बुझिपारछ? Alligator means crocodile. Crocodile दलको गला. So here are some questions and answers. We shall discuss the questions and their answers. So first one is, what are these paragraphs about? These paragraphs are about Buddha Hadam's greatest skill in telling stories. Right? Or these paragraphs are about Buddha Hadam, the great storyteller and the riddle master. His stories are full of riddles, and there is no riddle which he cannot answer. So he is good at story solving riddles. Who is good at? Buddha Hadam. Next question is, name two stories that Buddha Hadam usually tells his listeners. The Thieves and Widow's Son and Seven Brothers and a Sister are the two of the stories Buddha Hadam usually tells his listeners. Listeners means Sunadi, Sutramandali. Question number 3. Why do people call him a riddle master? People call him the riddle master. People call Buddha Hadam the riddle master because he is an expert in solving riddles. And there is no riddle which he can't answer. Now let's move to the next question, and question number 4. It is like this. Okay. If a bridegroom's party fails to answer the riddle, what do they pay? If a bridegroom's party fails to answer a riddle, they have to pay a goat or a pig as a fine to the bride's party. Question number 5. Why do people need Buddha Hadam during marriage? Marriage समय Buddha Hadam को लोड़ती कहीं की? This is question number 5. People need Buddha Hadam during marriage because he saves them from paying fine if they fail to answer any riddle. Next one is 6. Why does not Buddha Hadam call a leopard a leopard? Buddha Hadam does not call a leopard a leopard. Could understand? Because he believes if he do so, the leopard will kill him. Next one is 7. What does he call a leopard? He calls a leopard a wild cat or a hornless bullock. 8. What does he call a bear? He calls a bear a hairy caterpillar. You know caterpillar is sombalua. Question number 9. Which line gives you the main idea of the second paragraph? The first line of the second paragraph gives us the main idea of that paragraph. 10. What does he mean to say so? He calls a bear by name because he does. Then he calls a bear by name because he does not like to hurt anyone. Question number 11. What does he say when someone is dead? When someone is dead or when someone dies, he says that he or she has gone to head the alligator. ତାଙ୍କର ଦଳ ବୃଦ୍ଧି କରିବାକୁ କୁମ୍ଭୀରମାନଙ୍କ ଦଳ ବୃଦ୍ଧି କରିବାକୁ ଯାଇଛି ବୋଲି କହେ. Next one is SGP. What did I say? SGP 2. Read paragraph 3 to 7 silently, niravare, and answer the question that follow. One evening, what did I say? One evening, ଦିନେ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ବୁଧୁ ଆଡାମ କେମ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ହିଜ୍ ରୁମ୍. ତାର ଘର ପ୍ରକୋଷ୍ଠରୁ ପଦାକୁ ଆସିଲା. ହୁ କେମ୍ ଆଉଟ୍? ହୁ କେମ୍? ବୁଧୁ ଆଡାମ ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ହୋଇଛି. ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ହିଜ୍ ରୁମ୍. ପ୍ରକୋଷ୍ଠରୁ ବାହାରୁ ଆଇଲା. He found the children waiting to hear his stories. What did he see? He found. What did he find? He find children waiting to hear his stories. Could understand? Why children were there waiting to hear his stories? One of them shouted. One of the children shouted. Particular. Grandfather, today you tell us a story from your life. ତମ ଜୀବନର ଗୋଟେ ଆମକୁ ଗପରି କୁହ. Who said? One of the children asked. ତମ ଜୀବନର life means ଜୀବନ. Okay. Now let's move. Yes. Grandfather, what did I say? Grandfather, tell us how you cheated the money lender. Grandfather, ଜେଜେବାପା, tell us, ଆମକୁ କୁହ, how you cheated the money lender. ମହାଜନକୁ ତମେ କେମିତି ଠକି ଦେଇଥିଲ. Tell us. Who said? One of the children asked. Added another children said, another child said it. Could understand? Who said it? Another child. So and all the children shouted, yes, tell us, grandfather. Who said it? All the children shouted like this. Particularly, the old man took a little red tea. Then he began. In my young days, more jubaka dinare, I once owed money to a money lender. Owed means dhara kartile. Owed money runi haithile. To a money lender, you know, money lender means mahajana. Who owed whom? Buddhu Adam owed to whom? To a money lender. Right. Yeah. Owed what? Owed what? Money. Owed money. He used to come every day for money. That money lender used to come to my house every day to collect money. No. Who came? The money lender. To whose house? To Buddhu Adam's house. For what? Or to do what? To collect money? Because Buddhu Adam had brought some money from that money lender. Se money lender पाखरु ये किछि पैसा आनतेला धार सूत्र रे. So but I had no money to pay him. Then I had no money. O पारे पैसा नतला to pay him ताकु देबाकु. So I ran away to the forest. धाइली जंगल भितरକୁ पलायन कली. Asking my wife, ମୋ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ କି କହି, to tell him that I had gone for backward and forward dance. Could understand? ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସି ତାର ମିସେସ୍ ଇ କହିଦେଇଥିବାର ଯଦି ମନି ଲେଣ୍ଡର ଆସିଲେ ତାକୁ କହିଦେବ ମୁଁ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ବ୍ୟାକୱାର୍ଡ଼ ଫରୱାର୍ଡ଼ ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସ ଆଗୁକା ପଛୁକା ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସ କରିବାକୁ ଜଙ୍ଗଲରୁ ଯାଇଛି ବୋଲି କହିଦେବ। ହୁ ସେଇଠି ହୁମ୍ ବୁଡୁ ଆଡାମ said to his wife to tell all these things to the money lender if the money lender came to collect money. Okay. Next day the money lender came. The next day money lender came. My wife told him where I had gone. Could understand? Buddha Adam's wife explained everything. Buddha Adam had told her to tell. He did not understand. Who did not? Who did not understand? The money lender did not understand what she meant by backward and forward dance. When a money lender came, Buddha Adam's wife told him that Buddha Adam had gone to forest for backward forward dance. Could understand? Who told whom? Buddha Adam's wife told the money lender. The money lender could not understand what was or what forward and backward dance was. He could not understand what it was. He wanted to learn it from me. If I taught him the dance and the answered 3 of his riddles, he would not take his money from me. This was the condition. So, grandfather, are not the money lender very cruel? Nishtra Nathilagi asked one boy who was still very attentive. Yes, they are. But this money lender was less cruel. मैं बहुत सब money lender गुड़ा भारी निष्ठुर किंतु this money lender was less cruel but less cruel than the rest अन्य मानक तुलनारे अपेक्षा. In no case will the other money lenders agree to give up their money. कौनसी क्षेत्र से माने पैसा छाड़िया को प्रस्तुत नुहंती. This was their nature. So with 2 other people as witness which is Sakhi, I met the money lender. मुझे साक्षात कली. Who met whom? How do ये Buddha Adam met the money lender. All of us went to the forest. All of us went to forest. It was a very cold morning. I asked him to take off his warm clothes. ମୁଁ କହିଲି ତୋର ଗରମ ପୋଷାକ ସବୁ take off means ବାହାର କରିଦେ. Who asked whom? Buddha Adam asked the money lender to take off his warm clothes. Right? Then gathered some dry leaves. ମୁଁ ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ଶୁଖିଲା ପତ୍ର gather କଲି ସଂଗ୍ରହ କଲି and wood କାଠ to set fire to them. ତା ଲୁଗା ଜାଗାରେ ନିଆଁ ଲଗେଇବାକୁ I collected some from dry leaves and wood. ଶୁଖିଲା ପତ୍ର ଶୁଖିଲା କାଠ ଜମା କଲି କ'ଣ କରିବା to set fire to his clothes. ତାର ଲୁଗାରେ ନିଆଁ ଲଗେଇଦେବାକୁ. Set fire means ଲୁଗା ନିଆଁ ଲଗେଇଦେବା. Who collected dry woods and dry leaves? Buddha to do what? To set fire. Right? We sat very close to the fire. ନିକଟରେ fire ନିକଟରେ ଆମେ ବସିଲୁ. We sat when it blazed ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜଳିଲା ହୁତାଶ ହୋଇ ଜଳିଲା. What? The fire. It was very hot. ବହୁତ ଗରମ ଲାଗେ and he moved backward. ପଛକୁ ପଳେଇଲା. ଯେବେ ଗରମ ଲାଗିଲା he moved backward. ପଛକୁ ଘୁଞ୍ଚିଗଲା. I also moved backward. ଆମେ ହେଲେ ପଛକୁ ଘୁଞ୍ଚିଗଲୁ. When the fire was less hot, ଯେତେବେଳେ କି ନିଆଁ କମିଗଲା, he felt cold, ଥଣ୍ଡା ଲାଗିଲା and moved forward. ଆଗକୁ ପଳେଇଲେ. Could understand or not? What happened? ନିଆଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜଳୁଥିଲା they felt it's hot, so they moved backward. When the fire became less hot, they felt cold and they came forward. So this is called backward and forward dance. Could understand? When the fire was less hot, he felt cold and moved forward. In this way, he went on moving backward and forward, backward and forward, backward and forward, and it is called backward and forward dance. Would understand? Then he asked me when I would teach him the dance. He got angry when I told him I had already taught him. ମୋତେ ପଚାରିଲା when you will teach me this dance? The moneylender asked it to Buddhu Hadam. Buddhu Hadam said, I have already taught you. When Buddhu Hadam said it, एक कथा କହିଦେଲା, the moneylender got angry. ପୁରା ରାଗିଗଲା. Could understand who got angry? The moneylender got angry. Okay. Yes. Now, you have a cheated me. Tu mate ठकिଛୁ. He shouted. Who shouted? The moneylender shouted. And said, all right, ठीक ଅଛି. Answer my riddles. ମୋର ଗୋଲକ ଧନ୍ଦାର ଉତ୍ତର ଦେ. The Raja's plate which you can't wish. A coiled up snake, I replied immediately. The Raja's plate which you can't wash. ରଜାର ଥାଳି ଯୋଉଟା ତୁ ୱାଶ କରିପାରୁନୁ. A coiled up snake, I replied immediately. ମୁଁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ତାକୁ ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଲି. Immediately means ସଙ୍ଗେ ସଙ୍ଗେ. A coiled snake. coiled ହେଲେ କ'ଣ ଗୁଡ଼େଇ ରହିଥିବା ସାପ. coiled. A bamboo with 7 eyes came the next question was କ'ଣ a bamboo with 7 eyes. ଗୋଟେ ବାଉଁଶ ଯାହାର 7ଟା ଆଖି ଅଛି. And the answer came flute. I replied within no time. ଅବିଳମ୍ବେ ମୁଁ ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଇଦେଲି. କ'ଣ flute flute ହେଲେ ବଇଁଶରେ 7ଟା ଆଖି ଅଛି, କଣା ଅଛି. A flute has 7 holes and those holes are called eyes. Could understand? He looked quite disappointed. पूरा निराश जो ଦେଖାଗଲା. He who? The moneylender. He had only one riddle left. ଆଉ ତା ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ମାତ୍ର left ଅଛି. Almost all riddles were answered. So ସବୁ ଯାକ ସେ ଉତ୍ତର ପାଇଗଲାଣି. Last one is the last one. If I answered that one also, he would lose his money. ସେଇଟା ଯଦି ମୁଁ କହିଦି ତା ପଇସା ସେ ହରେଇବ. I need not to pay the money, the loan amount. Take a little time. କିଛି ସମୟ ନେଇ he asked me a long and difficult riddle. ଗୋଟେ ଲମ୍ବା ଗୋଟେ କଷ୍ଟଟି ପଚାରିଦେଲା. He has a crown but is not a king. ତାର ମୁକୁଟ ଅଛି but ରଜା ନାହିଁ. He wakes up man but he is not a watchman. ସେ ସକାଳୁ ସକାଳୁ ଲୋକକୁ ଉଠଉଛି but ସେ watchman ନୁହଁ, ଜଗୁଆଳି ନୁହଁ. Then he shouted, tell me what it is. କହ. Tell me now. Tell. Who said it? The moneylender. When I replied, cock ର ଚୂଳ ଅଛି, you know? ଚୂଳ ଅଛି. ସକାଳୁ ରଡ଼ି କରିକିରି he wakes up people. That cock wakes up people, right? But he is not a king. Is it a king? Oh, when I reply cock, his face turned pale. ତା ମୁହଁଟା ପୁରା ଗାତରେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଗଲା? ପେଲ୍ ହେଇଗଲା. ତା ମୁହଁରେ ପାଣି ରହିଲାନି. ବୁଝ? ଆକାଶରେ ତା ମୁହଁଟା କ'ଣ ହେଇଗଲା? ପେଲ୍ ହେଇଗଲା. ଫାକୁଣ୍ଡିଆ ହେଇଗଲା. Turned pale and in no time, ଅବିଳମ୍ବେ did he leave the place even without looking backwards. ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଅବିଳମ୍ବେ ସେ ଜାଗା ଛାଡ଼ି ପଳେଇଲା. ଆଉ ପଛକୁ ଅନେଇଲାନି. Who? The moneylender. Could understand? Moneylender. Next see, what is it? Yes. Here are some questions. Let's do it. What did I say? Here are some questions. Let's do it. Yes. Number 1 is, what kind of story did the children want to hear from Buddharam? The children wanted to hear a story from Buddharam's life. From Buddharam. Or the children wanted to hear from Buddharam, Hadam, a story from his life. What is the story about? The story is about how Buddhu Hadam cheated a money lender out of his money. Why did he run? Why did he run away to the forest? Buddha Adam ran away to the forest as he had no money to pay back to the money lender. Or yes, this is the correct answer. Buddha Adam went to the forest in order to save from the money lender from paying the money because he had no money. Next one is what did Buddha's wife say when the money lender came? When the money lender came, Buddha's wife told him that her husband had gone to the forest to have a backward and forward dance. Could understand? Next, next one is what did the money lender want to learn from Buddha Haram? The money lender wanted to learn backward and forward dance from Buddha Haram. He will not take the money, but Buddha Haram days. Complete the sentence. Yes, he will not take money from Buddha Haram if he teaches him backward and forward dance and answer 3 of his riddles. Next question is, why did Buddha take 2 witnesses with him? Right? Buddha took 2 witnesses with him to see that the money lender keeps his words if his conditions are fulfilled. Right? Next one is, what was backward and forward tense? Right? Backward and forward tense. Moving backward and coming forward is called what? Backward and forward tense. Question number 10. What was his second riddle? Could understand? The money lender's second riddle was a bamboo with 7 eyes. What is it? A Pluto, you know. Next, what was his third riddle? The third riddle was he has a crown. He has a crown but is not a hen. He wakes up a man but is not a watchman. This is the third riddle. And 12. Did Buddha Hadam answer all the riddles of the money lender? Yes. Buddha Hadam answered all the riddles of the money lender. And that is the end of today's English class. We shall discuss the other parts in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.